Welcome guys, today's video review of the top 5 best folding exercise bikes. If you are looking for the best folding exercise bikes, you are in the right place. There are many products available to choose from the best folding exercise bikes, each with different characteristics. To make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the top 5 best folding exercise bikes reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. XTERRA Fitness FB150 Folding Exercise Bike. The XTERRA Fitness FB150 folding bike has a solid X-frame design and thick steel tubing. This folding bike for the home gym does not take up much floor space when folded. This bike has an anatomically designed seat, multi-grip padded handlebars, and an LCD window to keep track of your speed, time, distance, pulse, and calories. It has a 3.3 pounds precision balanced flywheel that ensures a smooth and quiet ride. Number 2. Ultrasport F-Bike. If you need a quiet operation exercise bike, check out this Ultrasport F-Bike. It is a collapsible stationary bike and is easy to set up and fold. It has resistance levels and a comfortable seat with a backrest. It helps to strengthen your endurance, muscle strength, and circulation. It is made of 80% metal and 20% plastic. Number 3. Exerpeutic ExerWorK Folding Exercise Work. The Exerpeutic ExerWorK folding bike is not just an exercise bike, but you can also use its desk to keep your laptop and work as you pedal. This bike can double as your workstation at home. It has a high-torque 3-piece torque crank system, heart pulse monitoring, and a double-drive transmission system that makes it easier for you to work and exercise at the same time. This folding bike for multitasking workouts has built-in transportation wheels and adjustable leg stabilizers to prevent shaking or any accidents. Number 4. Exerpeutic Gold Heavy-Duty Foldable Exercise Bike. This bike has a heavy-duty steel frame and can be connected to the MyCloud Fitness app available on Android and iOS. Hence, you can easily keep track of your workout. The bike has a large cushioned seat. It can be adjusted to accommodate people between the heights of 53 and 61. This folding bike for time-efficient workouts has a precision-balanced flywheel and a V-belt drive for a smooth ride. Number 5. Advenor Magnetic Exercise Bike. This foldable upright exercise bike is built with a magnetic tension control system. It provides 8 levels of super quiet tension resistance and can be customized from easy to difficult levels. It has a heavy-duty flywheel that ensures a smooth ride experience. It helps with weight loss, leg strengthening, and building muscles at the same time. If you need an exercise bike with heart rate monitoring, this one has a digital tracking monitor that keeps track of it. The monitor also tracks your speed, time, calories, and distance. In addition, the foldable design makes it easier to store it in less space. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you found this video valuable, give it a like. If you know someone who needs to see it, share it. Leave a comment below with your thoughts. If you need more information or if you want the product price, please do check out the description. Thank you.